With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is identify the reducing agent in the following reaction. So you're given a set of reactions and you have to identify the reducing agent. The first thing that you should know is that the reducing agent is the one which itself oxidizes, right? The substance which itself oxidizes is known as the reducing agent, and the substance which itself reduces is known as the oxidizing agent. So here you have to identify the reducing agent. It means that you have to identify the substance which itself oxidizes. Okay, so talking about the first reaction is 4NH3 plus 5O2 giving 4NO plus 6H2O. So if you look at this reaction very carefully, then here you see that ammonia is getting oxidized to NO because of addition of oxygen, right? Addition of oxygen is oxidation. And if you talk about O2, then O2 is getting reduced to water. This is reduction because of the addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is reduction, addition of oxygen is oxidation. As O2 is getting reduced and NH3 is getting oxidized, it means that this NH3 which is getting oxidized is actually the reducing agent, because the substance which itself gets oxidized is known as the reducing agent. So for this reaction, ammonia NH3 is the reducing agent, right? Talking about the B reaction, which is H2O plus F2 giving HF plus HOF. Right. So if you look at this reaction very carefully, you look at that F2 is getting reduced to HF because of addition of hydrogen, right? Which means that reduction has taken place. And if you talk about H2O to HF, this is an example of oxidation. Why oxidation? Because there's a removal of one hydrogen, right? So in this case, the one that itself gets oxidized is water, because water is getting oxidized to H2F because there's a removal of hydrogen, and removal of hydrogen is also oxidation. That is why here H2O acts as a reducing agent. Okay. Now, talking about the next reaction, which is C. Here you have Fe2O3 plus 3CO, and this gives 2Fe plus 3CO2, right? Now looking at this reaction very carefully, you notice that here from Fe2O3 to Fe, what is happening? Reduction is happening because there is removal of oxygen. And if you look at CO to CO2, it means it is addition of oxygen, which means oxidation is taking place. So CO is getting oxidized to CO2, which means that CO here acts as a reducing agent, because the substance which gets oxidized is the reducing agent. Right. Now, talking about the D reaction, which is 2H2 plus O2 giving 2H2O. So if you look at this reaction very carefully, you notice that H2 is getting oxidized to water due to the addition of oxygen, and O2 is getting reduced because of addition of hydrogen, right? So H2 here is getting oxidized, that is why it acts as a reducing agent, right? That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.